Hey everyone. If you want to record Google Meet in 2026 without any extension, like no plugins or third-party tools, this video is for you. I'll show you the easiest methods step by step. First, open Google Meet and understand that built-in recording is only available for certain accounts like business or education users. Not all accounts will see this option. If available, join your meeting and click the three-dot menu, then select Record Meeting. I mean, Google will notify everyone that recording has started. When the meeting ends, click Stop Recording. The video file will automatically save to your Google Drive for later access. If you don't have recording access, use built-in screen recording on your device. I mean, Windows, Mac, and mobile all have screen recording tools already installed. Start recording before joining the meeting so everything is captured properly. This includes both video and audio from Google Meet. After the meeting, stop the recording and save the file to your device. I mean, now you have a full copy of your session. On mobile, you can also use built-in screen recorder by turning it on before joining the meeting. This works on both Android and iPhone devices. So yeah, that's how you record Google Meet without any extension in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can save your meetings easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Google Meet tutorials for fast and simple guides. Hey everyone.